Okay, first of all, what is TSA of cylinder? That is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. What is your CSA of cylinder? 2 pi r h. What is volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. Okay, now here we are discussing, see in the question which type of formula we will use. First you see, you can judge that by area is there or volume is there. See the question carefully and see the unit. What unit is given to you? Unit is given to you like centimeter square, meter square, then this is area. If it is given to you meter cube, centimeter cube, it means it is given to you volume. Okay, now see, the question is the curved surface area directly is given to you. Okay, curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. What is given? CSA is given to you 88 centimeter square and what is your height? Height is given to you 14 centimeter. What you have to find out? You have to find diameter. Find the diameter of the base. D you have to find out. Actually R is also not given to you. First you find out R, then multiply by 2. Okay, now come on. What is given to you? CSA is given to you. Then what is CSA of cylinder? CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. CSA is given to you 88. 88. 2 pi 22 upon 7. R you have to find. H is given 14. Okay. Then you can simplify here only. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Then what will be the value of R? Send all the values down. 2 into 22 into 2. Is very clear. 22 1 is 22. 22 4 is 88. Then 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. Again 2 1 is 2. 2 1 is 2. Then R is coming 1 centimeter. But actually what you have to find in the question, see here, find the diameter. It means you have to find diameter, and diameter we know D is equal to 2R. It means whatever radius is there, you have to multiply it by 2. Then D is equal to 2R. Then D will be 2 into 1, 2 centimeter, and this is the answer. Closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter is given to you 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. Okay, how many square meters of sheet are required to make for the same? So what to do? You have given to you what? Height is given to you 1 meter. Height is given to you 1 meter is 1 meter. Diameter D is given to you 140 centimeter. Can we make it convert in meter? Okay, divide by 100. This will be 1.4 meter. Then what will be the radius? Radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Diameter upon 2. This is 1.4 upon 2. This will be 0.7 meter. And this is given to you closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical tank means what? Okay, it means 2 pi r plus h. This is the formula of closed cylindrical tank. Okay, then TSA of tank is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h, 2 pi, what is r is 0.7, r is what? 0.7. And what is h? H is here 1 meter. This is 1 meter. Okay, it's very simple. You have to solve it now after that. 7 to 7 cut. This is your 44 upon 10 into 1.7. I can write for 4.4 into 1.7. Okay, 17 4 is 68. 6 is carry. 17 4 is 68. 68 and 6. 74. 74. And what to do? You have to place decimal after from back side 2 places. 1, 2. 7.48 meter square. This is your answer. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter, it is given to you this. Small d, can I say? Small d. Inner diameter is given to you 4 centimeter and outer diameter is given to you 4.4 centimeter. It means from here to here. This is capital D. This is given to you 4.4 centimeter. Okay. What you have to find out? Inner CSA, outer CSA and total surface area. Okay. You have to find, like, this is one cylinder and its height is given, this is given to you 77 centimeter long. Okay. And inner diameter, it means from here to here. Inner diameter A. And outer diameter is what? From here to here, outer side. Is it clear? And what will be the thickness? See, 4 centimeter is this inner one diameter and 4.4 is outer one. Then thickness will be 0.4 centimeter. Height, you know, you have to find out inner CSA. This is hollow. If this is hollow one, then this will be just like a hollow pipe, no? So this will be, if I have to bend inside, so this will be your 2 pi RH. And outer CSA is this. So 2 pi capital RH I have to take. And total surface area. Total surface area means this plus inner CSA plus this ring up and this ring down also. Clear? So two things are there. So if this is hollow one, then just like a pipe. Clear? Now one by one we can start. See here. Inner CSA is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH, 2 pi R is 2 and H is what here? 77. Okay, this is 11. 22 2s are 44, 44 2s are 88. 88 into 11. Okay, how to multiply this, that you know. 8 and here 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, carry 1. So 968 centimeter square. This is your answer. This is the Vedic method, no? Any number you have to multiply by 11. See here, like I have to multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to multiply by 11? See here. So take first number, this unit digit number and last digit number like this. Then what to do? 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. This is the thing. If number is big into 11, then what to do? If number is big, then what to do? The thing is the same. 8 and 4 here. Okay. Then 9 plus 8, 17. Carry 1. 9 plus 4, 13. Carry 1. Then what will be the answer? 8, 7, 4, 5. So this is 5, 4, 7, 8 is your answer. So this is the Vedic trick. So you can you have to apply whenever you have to, when you will get any number by 11. Okay. This is the thing. Now first is your answer. Now second one, come on, outer curved surface area. This is 2 pi capital R N H. 2 pi, what is capital R? It is 2.2 and H is here 77. This, when you remove it, this will be 10. Okay. Then 22 into 22, this will be 484, and 484 into 2, 484 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 968. Okay, so 968 multiply by 11. Again 11 is coming. Now again we will use what? Vedic method. So 8 and 9 is here. First digit and last digit you write as it is. Then add it. 8 plus 6 14. Carry 1. 9 plus 6 15. Carry 1. So what will be? And divide by 10 is there only, no? Divide by 10. It is divide by 10 also. So what will be? 8, 4, 6 and 1 0. Divide by 10. So 1064.8 centimeter square. Okay. So I am rubbing this. So this is your answer. Now come on. The third point, total surface area. Total surface area. Okay. Now see, this is one type of ring, no? In a pipe, you will get two rings, up and here down. Okay. Two rings you will get on the top and your bottom. Clear? So two rings you will get. Okay. So what is the area of ring? Area of ring is pi r2 square r square capital R square minus small r square. Sir, समझ में नहीं आया. I am not able to get it. It means what? See here. Ring pi capital R square minus small r square. This is the area of ring. This is the area of ring. Okay. And this is pipe, hollow pipe and thick pipe. So you will get two rings. Okay. Then what you will get? 2 into pi outer radius square minus inner radius square plus inner CSA plus outer CSA. This you have to add. Now come. 2 22 upon 7. This is 2.2 square. R is what? 2 square. Then you have to add this. 8 plus 4, 12. 1. 6 plus 6, 12 and 1, 13. 1. 9 and 1, 10. 9 and 1, 10. 0. Then 1. 2032.8 is coming. Then the next one, then after, yes, then after, just you see 2 is as it is, 22 upon 7 is as it is, 2.2 square, this will be your 4.84, because 22 square is 484, no, then 2.2 square will be what? 2.2 into 2.2, this will be 4.84, and minus to minus, and 2 square is what? 4. Okay, plus here same as number as it is. Then 2 into 22 upon 7, both as it is. 4.84 minus 4, this will be what? 0.84. 0.84 is here. And this 2.2032.8 as it is. I am removing decimal and dividing. This is 100. Okay. Then cut by 7. 7 on the 7 and 12 7 the 84. 12 will come. When you multiply 22 into 24, you will get 528. But add down is what? 100. Then what will come? 5.28. Now add carefully. Here is 2032.8 and you have to add 5.28. Then at last you will get 2038.8 centimeter square, and this is your answer. Yes, the next question is, the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 revolutions. Number of revolutions are like one cylindrical is there, and 500 revolutions are there. Okay, to move once over to level a playground, है ना, to leveling the playground, roller is moving like this. Okay, and how many revolution it is taking? 500 revolutions. Then find the area of playground in meter squares. Okay, what is the meaning? If one time rolling that roller, it means CSA of cylinder. Okay, what is CSA of cylinder is? It is your 2 pi RH. Okay, and what is given to you? One main thing, it is you have to convert all units in meter square, because they are asking. What is given? Diameter 84 centimeter, diameter 84, and what is relation between diameter and radius is r is equal to d by 2. So 84 upon 2, this will be 42 centimeter. Yes, 42 meter it is, no? 42 is what here? Centimeter. But what to do? What to do here? Convert in meters, it is given in the question. So you have to divide by 100. After dividing, you will get 0.42 meter. And one more thing, length is given 120 centimeter. It means height is given to you 120 centimeter. Divide by 100, 0 to 0 cut, 12 upon 100, this will be 1.2. Come on here, put values. 2, what is CSA of cylinder? CSA of cylinder means 2 pi RH, and CSA means what? 1 revolution. 2 pi R is what? 0.42. H is what? 1.2. Okay. Area of playground in meter square, and for 500 revolution. In 500 revolution, CSA will be 2 into 22 upon 7, 0.42 and 1.2. See, 10. This is 100. Is clear directly? So 0 to 0 to cut, 2 zeros here, 2 0 will cut. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 2 1 the 2 you cut. 7 6 the 42. Okay, then what will come? 22 into 12 6 the 72. Okay, then you have to multiply it. 72 into 22. 2 to the 4, 144, no? 144. 4 8. 1584. This is not a meter. This is meter square, no? This is your meter square, and this is the answer. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter, okay, and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the CSA of pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. But thing is given to you, they are asked, rate is given to you in per meter square, and calculation is here. This is of in which form? Centimeter form. So you have to convert this diameter, first convert in radius, then radius convert into what? In meters. So diameter is given 50 centimeter. What will be the radius? 25 centimeter. It's half. And how to convert centimeter into meter? To divide by 100. So 25 upon 100, this will be what? 0.25. This is very clear, I think. Okay. And what is given? Height is given to you, and rate is given to you. Rate per meter square. It is given to you 12.50 per meter square. What is CSA of pillar? CSA in the shape of that pillar is in the shape of cylinder. I can say this. Then what will be the CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Come. 2 pi R is what? 0.25. H is what? 3.5. Okay, can we remove this? Like in this way. Okay. 25 on that 25, 25, 4 is 100. Okay, then here. Seven on the 7, 7 5 is 35. Okay. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. This is 11. Then what will come? What will come? 11 5 is 55. 55 upon 10. This will be 5.5 meter square. 5.5 meter square will come. Then what you have to find out? How much amount he has to pay? So 12.50 into 5.5. 125 into 55, you have to multiply it. 5 5 is 25, 2, 10 and 2, 12, 1, 5 and 5 and 1, 6. So this 5, 7, 8, 6. 6875 divided by 100. This will be 68.75. This is your answer.